Hi, Brian. Hi, Cass. Thanks for joining me in this interview session. Can you tell us about yourself and what you do at Unia?
Yeah, hi, Chun. My name's Brian Young. I am the head of business development for Abunya. The areas I look after are Europe, America, and Australia. And I do sort of most functions from sales to pre-sales to technical.
What about you, Cass?
I'm a software developer at Abunya, who is responsible for maintaining our corporate websites. Besides that, I also contribute to the product development and now the ScannerVision Browser Capture client, which also known as the SBC in short. So my roles basically involve ensuring the website functionalities, collaborating with the cross-functional teams, and also to enhance the user experiences.
Cass, can you provide an overview of the key features and functionalities of the ScannerVision Browser Capture?
Sure. It allows users to submit multiple documents simultaneously using various devices such as the desktop, laptop, tablet, and also the mobile phones. So it serves as the counterpart to the MFP and scanning clients, which featuring an improved user interface and experience facilitating the seamless document uploading. So with the SBC, user can conveniently upload digital documents to the ScannerVision server from any web browser without the need to install the software. The enhanced user interface ensure a more user-friendly experience and also making the document submission and the processing more efficient.
Thank you, Cass. Brian, could you elaborate on the inspirations that led to the development of the client?
Yeah, of course. There are two reasons why we decided to develop this particular product. The main one was driven by the market. So many of our existing resellers and their end users use our products with the multifunction devices and scanners and wanted to extend that to an easy to use interface to work with their digital documents. So some of the inspiration behind the development of this was to feed that need in the market. And the second thing was what we do at Abunya all the time is we constantly look at ways of developing and enhancing our product. So those two things combined meant that this was an ideal product and the ideal time to create that with our development team.
How easily can user adapt to the new features, and are training programs planned for optimal usage?
Yeah, so training comes in two forms. One, we have existing users that are familiar with the look and feel of our software on their multifunction devices and scanning devices. So for them, the transition from the device to the browser client is pretty seamless. It looks very, very similar. The second type of user are new users that are new to our products. And for that, we have detailed manual and user guides on how the software works and can interact in their business. But other than that, we also have a really good professional services and support team. The professional services team is designed to help up front with installations and questions about how best to optimize the browser client. And the support team is there if there are any problems or issues and things that need to be resolved. So from that side, it's a really easy, seamless product to use.
Brian, how has the market responded to the initial launch of the client, and what feedback have you received?
It's really, really well. Okay, so we've done a pre-launch. So as we do with any bit of software, there's testing that needs to go on. And what we've done is we've talked to some of our premium partners and we've got them to test the software and give us their feedback. And we've also made changes to the software as we've gone along, such as adding a dark mode, for example. We've done this as part of this process. So the feedback has been excellent. With many of our resellers, some of them were getting very impatient and chasing us for the product because they can see that there's a gap in the market for this. So the initial feedback has been great. The teams have worked hard to implement the changes that our customers have wanted, ready for the proper launch.
Are there plans to enhance the client based on user experiences and evolving industry needs?
Always. As I said at the start of this piece, it's very important that we develop our products to what the market needs. So that is a continuous program of development. So as the market changes, as there are new requirements and features, we will build those in. That's a very important part of the evolution of a product. And as we grow our product portfolio and interconnection with other products, we evolve that way organically as a company as well. We call it the sort of Bunye commitment to excellence. So from the market trends and from our own product development roadmap, these are the things that we will be building in. We have a good mechanism within our business process services team to gather feedback from end users and customers, and we then feed that back into our development team in order for them to work on the next features that we need to build into the product.
Cass, what was the established time frame for the development of the browser capture?
It was developed in just 4 weeks, which including 1 week for the planning, 2 weeks for the development, and also the final week for the testing. So this efficient turnaround underscore our team's ability to respond promptly to the development request without compromising the quality of the end products.
Thank you, Brian and Cass.
Thank you.
Thank you.